Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus to an Android device. First of all, you need to locate and open Play Store on both smartphones. Then install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer on both devices and open it. When it's ready, you need to tap on I accept, then confirm, continue and finally allow. Now choose receive on your Android and send on Xiaomi. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select send over here next to selected. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, only for example. Choose send and tap on got it. Now on an Android, click on no thanks and close this window. From here, as you can see, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and then tap on the receive button. As you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!